My favourite moment was when the curtains opened and my mum was centre stage, bless her. And I got so much stuff to do today. Can you blame me though? But one of the things I got to do today, I'm going to a pantomime where my mum is the star of the show. I don't even know what the show's about, mate. I ain't got a clue what to expect. And then my mum's mate nudged me. She goes, "This is your mum's best part." These colours are popping. Actually respect that because the show starts at 2. And to be fair, it's actually a really nice day. It's fucking cold, mate. It's Saturday morning and I got so much stuff to do today. I already know I ain't gonna get it all done, mate. Some of the things I got to get done, I've already missed because I spent way too long in bed this morning. Woke up and it was -3. I was just like, ugh. I don't want to go out. I don't want to go for a run. I don't want to go boxing because the boxing place I go to is like a warehouse and it's absolutely freezing in there. But one of the things I got to do today, because I'm going to a pantomime where my mum is the star of the show. I got to pick up the rest of the family and we all got an attend. So, yeah, that I got to do. You guys got to support your mum, ain't you? So, I'll be doing that. I woke up late, hence why I missed those things that I missed. And I'm hungry, mate. I got to get some breakfast. So, that's the plan of action now, is go out and get some brekkie, wrap up warm, because it is freezing, and then continue with the rest of the day. Cut to the intro! Gotta clean these trainers, man. They are dusty. And the best way to do that, no messing around, just get a quick wet wipe and wipe them right round. Reason why they're dusty is because I wore them on holiday. Spent way too long on the beach and I haven't yet had a chance to clean them since. So let's get them looking from this to nice and shiny. And there we go, mate. My custom Air Max 90s looking fresh, mates. Nice. My outfit is a complete mishmash today, but yeah, I ain't messing around. I got my washing curtain on. God knows if you can hear the washing machine in the background. But yeah, way bit of a mishmash of an outfit today. Ooh, right, my sister's on my case. It is 12:30. Show starts at 2. Got to get my family ASAP, but I'll go get some breakfast, so let's head straight to the cafe now. Right, en route to local cafe. It's that local to me and I've been going there for so long that I just walk in there. Don't matter what member of staff's in there, they just take one look at me and they're like, usual? But today, I don't even actually want my usual, to be fair. I fancy a BLT sandwich with a lovely bit of mayo. Now, all depending on the time, I'll either go back home and eat that, which gives me a chance to put my washing on a spin and then potentially hang it up, or if I ain't got the time, head straight to my sister's. I'm actually currently walking past a building job I was on a few years back, converting a church into, I think, 19 apartments. I'll turn the camera around and show you. But yeah, this was a graveyard. The church is over there. It's a gorgeous job, to be fair. I mean, where I'm actually stood isn't doing it much justice. Let's see if we can see the tower as I walk round. Nah, I don't think we're gonna. But yeah, that was a really lovely job. I enjoyed being there. Very close to my home, which was nice. And to be fair, it's actually a really nice day. Just fucking cold, mate. No signs of it warming up anytime soon either. Right, I am really tight on time, man. It is 1:05. Look at that sandwich. Yeah, boy. 1:05. The machine was still going when I got back and I wondered why. I thought surely that's finished by now. Turns out the tumble dryer was on as well, so I've had to stop that. I should be at my sister's now, but I'm going to get this down my neck and head straight to my sister's because the show starts at 2. Right, just arrived outside my sister's. We're in good time, man. It's 1:30. I've just gave him a little toot with the horn. Usually I go inside. Well, I probably won't go inside, to be fair, because I don't like waiting. So, yeah, at least if I go inside, I know what the fucking score is, don't I? Yeah, I got to be there at 2. It ain't a short drive from here, so yeah, sweet. I don't even know what the show's about, mate. I ain't got a clue what to expect. I know just about as much as you lot know. Nothing. Panto done, mate. Weren't allowed any photography whatsoever, but you know what? I actually respect that because it does annoy me when you go out and just everyone's on their phone, they're not in the present moment. And I was brought up back in the day before smartphones even existed, so yeah, I much prefer people to just be in the present moment and enjoy the experience for what it was. So yeah, great show. My favourite moment was when the curtains opened and my mum was centre stage, bless her, singing along. It was called Babes in the Wood and it was medieval Robin Hood themed, so yeah, it was a laugh. Come out of the building and I couldn't believe how fucking dark it was. My sister's like, yeah, it is winter. Just caught me off guard. So I headed to Sainsbury's now to do me a food shop. Get in, get the heating on, and just stay the fuck in and get cozy, mate. My phone's going on do not disturb, and I just want to be left alone, mate. I don't want to leave the house anyway. Fucking below freezing temperatures. No thanks. Right in front of me, the scaffolds come down. Don't know how to use this gimbal, do I? And they've give it all a fresh lick of paint, mate. These colours are popping. Looking nice, man. Yeah, they're redeveloping this area. I gotta get used to this fucking gimbal, mate. But yeah, let's go do my food shop, get in the warm. Well, I'll tell you what, I ain't gonna lie. Even though that pantomime was really enjoyable, I did nod off, mate. At one point, I looked at the time, and it was connecting me, a sod. And it was 1:15. And I got a bit bored, and I looked at the time again, it was 20 past. Next thing I know, my eyes are closed, I'm fucking nodding off like that. The next thing I'm nodding off forward, I'm like, oh fuck this, and I fell asleep. And then my mum's mate nudged me, she goes, this is your mum's best part. And I watched the rest of it, and then yeah, a few more drinks, just done a food shop now. It is, I've just taken my watch off, I think it's 6 in the evening. I'm going to chill out for a bit. I lost out on my typical afternoon nap, although I did exactly that in the pantomime, I had a nap. I might go out for a takeaway, or I might just, once the heating's on, I'm just going to chill out, mate. We will see. Yeah. I had so much to do today, and I spent too long in bed. Can you blame me, though, when it's that cold out? Do I want to get out of bed, mate? No chance. But, yeah, there's always tomorrow, but although we are having a massive cold snap at the moment, so I'll probably fuck it off, and I'll just continue hibernating this time of year. Well, I must have needed that nap. 4 hours, mate. God. 4-hour nap. Didn't get a takeaway. Despite doing a food shop, I didn't get anything home. I just checked my bed. The electric blanket's on timer, mate. Mint. Bed's nice and warm. So, solid. I'm just going to bed, mate. 4-hour nap on the sofa. What the hell? Oh, mate. Oh, and it's lost me again, is it? Let's see if I can get this. No, that was wrong. What's going on, son? Connect to me, innit? Hey. Oh, mate. Oh, 4-hour nap, man. That was fucking mint. Yeah, man. Sweet. Got everything done I needed to do. The only thing I didn't do was go for a run and go boxing. I didn't need to do that. It's winter. What do I need to do that for? What have I got to do tomorrow? Nothing. Just hibernate, mate. I already can't wait. Cut to the outro.